Be careful. Iwan natin siya. Pag wala yun. Iwan natin. Kaluka kasi.
Face is on. Really?
It's so good. Guys, it's so spicy.
Why, do you eat the face? Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning! Nandito pa rin tayo. Nagising. Kanina lang naman ako nagising. Wala pa si Tami. Mamaya pa daw yun. Nabisi lang ako guys kasi mag-giveaway po ako sa Facebook. If you're not on my Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page. Anyway, good morning. So, ngayon guys, it is ano ngayon? Friday. So, plano namin sana ni Lloydie magpunta ng New Jersey. Ulan ng ulan kahapon. And then, akala ko yung news is uulan din ngayon. So, well, kinancel ko siya kasi ulan. You know, pangit na maglakad-lakad ulan. And also, luckily, na-cancel ko din siya kasi po, wala si Tami. Andun si Tami sa isang bahay kasi nga ulan, baha doon, di ba? Magbaha palagi yung basement ngayon. And also, guys, update po guys sa bahay, sa isang bahay ni Bianan, sa bahay ni Bianan. 19 ang closing. Probably nakita na inyo ito, na-sold na yung bahay, I think. So, yun, 19. And then, plano namin 3 days or 2 days before sa closing. Gusto kong matulog doon for one last time sa bahay na yan kasi nakakamiss din yung bahay na yan. But anyway, andun si Tami guys, nagbaha yung basement kagabi, 11 o'clock daw. Nagbaha daw kagabi. Dito na yung mga junakits ko. What's in here? I think the machine, it's error again. Nagka-error na naman yung machine. Kailangan na namang linisin. Ito siya guys, kailangan lang siyang linisin. Which one is the error here? Okay. Okay din. Punong-puno pala ng hugaw, dumi. Kaya hindi siya makamove. Oh, ang daming buhok. Ang daming buhok. So, yun. Linisin ko lang po ito guys. Ang daming buhok. Ganyan talaga yung buhay guys. Anyway, meron pang buhok dito sa gilid. Yan, dito sa mga gilid-gilid kasi guys, kapag meron kayong robot, kapag may error, ang gagawin nyo lang is linisin lang siya guys. Kasi yung buhok talaga yung magpa-stop guys. Daming buhok. Alam nyo naman, mga buhok-buhok dito. Alam nyo, nakuha lang ito sa basurahan na robot. Nakuha lang po ito sa basura. Don't worry guys, maglinis po tayo ng kamay mamaya. Ang swerte-swerte ko lang talaga na nakita ko to guys, as in. Ang swerte. Sobra. Ang dami kasing buhok. Look. Tumakbo na siya. Nilinis ko yan guys kasi every other day yan pinatakbo ko. So ngayon ang daming nakuhang ang daming nakuha guys for look, tignan niyo yung basura Yan yung buhok. Kung walang maglilinis na mga robot-robot, ang dumi-dumi. Kasi, ang daming buhok, guys. Mabuhok talaga dito. Lalo na kapag hindi maglinis. Yun siya, hindi ko pinatakbo pang ilang araw. Ang daming buhok. Mostly sa kay Roxy. Kasi siya yung mataas yung buhok. And then pusa. And then sa akin, si Misty. Fry monkey. You too, right? Ay, hintayin ko lang si Tami. I think hindi uulan. Lalabas na lang ako, I think. Ipagpatuloy ko yung gawain doon sa mountain bukid. Gusto ko talagang matapos kasi po, nag-start nang magtubo yung mga damo, nag-start na. And then, yung mga kahoy, nag-start nang mag-bloom. So, yun yung pinakaayaw kong maglinis na mag-cut ng mga dahon, maglinis ng yard, lalo na doon sa harap ng bahay na yung parang bukid-bukid na maliit. Mahirap siya kasi ang daming poison ivy. Poison ivy ang dami. So, kaya, yun. Akala ko uulan ngayon. Kasabi pa, the whole weekend uulan. So, ngayon, wala pala. So, mag-garden na lang ako. And then, wala naman din si Tami dito. Hindi pa siya nakauwi. Iwan ko. Nag-change lang ako ng beadings. Ilagay ko to sa taas kasi. Anyway, guys. So, magbihis lang ako, guys, kasi ano tayo. Hindi na ako mag-bra. Mag-jacket lang ako kasi may kaunting hangin sa labas. Maginaw-ginaw pa rin. Mamaya, kapag sobrang init, tanggalin natin ito. Kasi ang dami ko pang gawain. Naglalaba din ako. Ganun. Ay, si Tami. Tawagan ko sana. Nasaan na yun? Sabihin ko na lalabas ako.
Hello?
Where are you?
Just finishing putting crap in the car.
And then?
Then I'm getting in the car and go.
Okay. So, if you call me, I will be outside.
Okay. If it's sunny out, you know, like, by the
Yeah.
garden.
Yeah, the front, you know, the mountain eating.
Okay.
I will be out there.
Don't get poison ivy.
Yeah, I'll try. Try not to.
Yeah. Alright.
Ay, poison ivy. I try not to touch anything. I'm gonna use all that, whatever. It's sunny over there.
It is.
Okay, that's good. I plan to go shower, but I guess I'll shower later.
Oh, it's probably better to shower after you play in the yard.
But now I will do this thing before all the leaves come up, right? Hi guys! Nakaligo na ako guys. Alam niyo nagka-poison ivy yung ilong ko guys. Dito nagka-poison ivy. Kasi ang daming poison ivy doon sa sa harap ng bahay. At saka sobrang lago na ng poison ivy. Yung roots niya is siya. Yung gamot niya, yung roots ba, yung ugat niya is siya, yung parang sobrang laki na. Pero guys, alam nyo kung mag-hire ako, gasto na naman siya. Pwede naman, kaya naman magasto guys, kaso lang sayang yung pera. Kung makati na yung mga ko, meron akong nafe-feel dito. Dito, hindi ko siya i-touch guys. Meron akong nafe-feel na pinching. And, nagka-jacket ako kasi si Tami naglalaro na naman sa light. Dito si Tami naglalaro ng kuryente. And doon konti na lang yung konting kimbot na lang matapos na yan. And dito na siya. The first thing he does is play with this thing here. Doon siya sa taas meron siyang ibalik. May nataga kasi guys. So kaya yan. Huh? Be careful. Ako yung natatakot. Ay, mga tao na sa labas. Okay guys, balik tayo sa taas. Okay, be careful.
There's no way. tell
Then
you.
don't play with wires. Ito na, naglalaro na sa wire na makurentehan. Medyo di ba? Careful, Tommy. May groundhog dito. Saan na yun? Nagtatago na yung groundhog. Ito yung nililinis ko, guys. Pero hindi pa ako tapos. Ang daming poison ivy. Where are you, groundhog? Where are you? Oh, ang taas ng poison ivy, oh. Yung poison ivy yan. Ang dami pa dito. Ay. Ito, guys. Oh. Nilagay na niyo yung flag doon, oh. Nilagay yung flag. Meron na tayong flag doon. You gonna put it back? Yeah. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Maginaw-ginaw pero maganda naman.
Yeah, every circuit breaker's on, so I'm not sure why. Unless it's a hidden switch I don't know about, but that I really can't fix.
He
Like I
doesn't
said,
know.
unless it's connected to something else. Maybe there's a solar cell, so it's light enough out that it won't put power through. I don't know. But the solar cell should be down here, where the light. But maybe it's somewhere else. So maybe it won't get power until it's nighttime.
It's not, if it's nighttime, seriously, the electric should be on all the time, right?
Well, usually there's a solar cell here, so the lights don't come on when it sees motion in daytime.
Ah,
So
so
maybe there's a solar cell placed somewhere else. No, it's too much angle here. No, oh, he's got some molding on the other side.
Okay guys, andito si Mr. Obviously, nakita na niya niyo. And then, what time is it? We're gonna eat soon. It's 6:54. Yeah, are you hungry, love? Okay, I'm gonna think about the film yet. And of course, my son is right here. He's eating, Han.
Well, somebody is. I don't know if it's them.
Oh my God, this washing machine, guys, it's always running away. Nako, talagang buhay na ito. Palaging tumatakbo na lang itong washing machine namin. Iwan ko na lang. Hi, love. Gopito. Hi, boy. Maoto. Aglito. He's an ugly boy. He's an ugly boy na. He's an ugly boy. He's an ugly boy, boy. He's an ugly boy. He doesn't like it. He do like this. Oh, how. Oh, how. Oh, how. Oh, how. Oh, how. Come on, Dada, kiss him. Come on, kiss him.
Mama, was there you with someone will take?
No. No. You're already thinking. I know what you feel. I know what you want. Yeah, guys, he is so special, guys. You know, guys, this is the only boy we have. And the only boy is gonna be the only one forever. We love him so much. He is such a good-looking little man. Yes, he is. Mama, sometimes you're ugly. Say that you're ugly, but it doesn't really. I don't really mean that. He really wanna go to your back. He's like, look at. Ay! Oh, you know ko. Oh my God, honey. Oh my God.
Okay. Don't let you climb on the couch.
He loves you, hon. Oh. Oh my goodness. There's something wrong with this
I
man.
ate my food. Now where's my turkey?
Oh
He told me I got a
no.
turkey to eat.
Did he really eat, hon?
Apparently somebody ate.
Okay. Okay, dokie.
Watch how excited he'll get now. Watch.
Okay, my goodness. Oh, happy little boy. Get a turkey. Happy little Bubong. Is the dog eat, Han?
Yeah.
Excited face. Oh my goodness. You have to put that somewhere. You cannot just do that, Tommy. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Oh my God, he just swallowed it. Now he is. Hala. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. And he never eat that in the hand before. He never does. Oh my God. Oh, enough na, Han. Enough. Enough. Put it in the dish.
Look at the other ones. They're staring.
Like looking at him. Han, enough na,
Okay,
baby.
the rest goes in your dish, kid.
Enough na, enough. Spoiled, eh? That's it. That's it. That's really it.
That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.
That's it, Bug.
Come on, we gotta give some to Dimple too.
Look at the position, guys, in the back. It's like a groundhog. Ay, 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 pag-ibig.
Day 2.
Hi, guys. Oh my God. Kanina pa ako dapat umalis umaga. So, ngayon, 3 o'clock na. Ang tagal ni Tommy. Kausap, iwan ko yun. Iwan ko na lang siya eh. Kasi ang tagal niya. Ang tagal. Kanina pa. Sabi ko maaga ako. Ngayon, ano na, hapon na. Lalabas tayo, labas. Iwan natin siya. Huwag wala yun. Iwan natin. Kaloka kasi. Hindi kanina pa. Umaga ako gustong umalisin. Prank natin. Pinuklose ko yung door. Kasi ang tagal. Ang tigas ng ulo. I-prank natin. Tatawag yun. Wala na to. Lumabas na siya. Ang tigas kasi ng ulo.
Okay, you can go without me.
I told you I'm gonna see you later.
Yeah. Close the
Just
garage
like,
door.
what is wrong with you? It's like I'm planning to go early. Look at you. This is crazy. I plan to do this before 12 o'clock. Now it's freaking 3 something o'clock na. It's traffic pag daytime. I mean, hindi man traffic, guys. Yun. Oops, Mrs. Driver.
Red Robin.
Red Robin. CV is ano, dumpster, honey.
Good.
Dumpster. There's a lot of people over there. Yeah, this is a busy series. Very busy. Anyway. Oh, today is Saturday. That's why there's a lot of people in the shopping area. Hi guys. So this is na guys. Ito na yung in-order namin. Kakain tayo mamaya. Ipakita ko sa inyo. I-open namin ito mamaya. Kasi mamaya na kasi hindi pa kami kakain. And yun. Tommy got this crabs. It's small crabs. We're going to share, guys. Kasi I got a lot. We have shrimp. Tommy got a little. Tommy doesn't have shrimp. And I have crawfish and shrimp. So, we share.
Oh, yeah, no, but I mean, I know 684 into 84.
Right.
84, I go...
Like I said, once you hit 84, when you get to 684 to 84, it can only go one way on 84 because 84 starts there.
But it's not east or west
No,
on 84?
no, you're gonna. Well, I don't know. I think it was only one way. Maybe I'm wrong. I didn't order this stuff because I didn't want this stuff. Now we're gonna have to give it to Hobbs.
Of course you want.
Shrimp with faces on them. Really?
It's so good. Guys, it's so spicy.
Why do you eat the face?
Mm-hmm.
No, you don't. Nobody eats the face on.
I'm the only one eat fish. The face. Oh my God, it's so good, Han. The seasoning, Han. Oh my God, I'm already a mess here. Oh my God, ang sarap, guys. Hello, guys. Ito na, guys. Early dinner, guys. Early anniversary dinner. Masarap talaga ay pala siya, eh. Yung seafood na mga ganito, mga Cajun sa restaurant. It's really tasty. You
gotta clean the vein.
You
Gotta clean the vein.
Do you want corn?
No.
Of course you want.
Nope. Take the vein out, look.
Yeah, I know.
You're eating a snail with the shrimp cookies.
Ang sarap. Ayan. Sarap.
I was waiting for me to clean it all out so I can give it to him.
Yung sauce niya is sobrang sarap.
Sloppy by design.
Sloppy by design. Guys, lobster tail. It's tiny.
Half pound, 8 ounce.
Huh?
Half pound, 8 ounce.
And then I have some crawfish. My husband is giving the shrimp.
You know what that drinking is all about, right?
Hmm?
You know what that drinking is all about, right? I'm not eating. You keep giving me stuff I'm not going to eat. What's the point?
Yes, you will.
No, I won't.
Maybe they thought that you can't afford. Mga ganito, mga kaunting ano lang, oh. Sarap. What do you think, guys? Naglalaway na kayo, guys. Sorry.
Yeah, it's not stopped.
Yung ano, eh. What is this? Mild hand, right? Medium.
Medium. Boy.
Perfect. Perfect yung spiciness niya, guys. I need the rest, guys. Hold on.
I want you.
What was your great good? That is you done. You don't bad for in. You want to read? Do it. Good luck. Huh?
Eat like
Head. Tail. And then hold it. Hands up. How do you?
doing what?
No, like that. Okay, that. Head. Good luck. Alam mo.
Shrimp. Wait.
That's right. That's great. Perfect. This roll got me. I love doing it. I love it. Hands a bit. It is. Love it. Huh?
Pictures of each other.
Next up, yeah. No, in which it is.
But more.
Good. What has my I don't eat me. Because I want to push the.
Sure, too much.
No, what we
Well,
can.
you have to eat.
It the mine. It. I'm your cooking. But I'm just juice.
Huh? It's not.
Okay. Mo ready. I'll let you know. Double there.
Close it, honey.
Ini. Sitting say with the bones. Talaga no. What?